Connie from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm here on the Gold Coast in the most incredible property that we've just styled. It has insane views. It could possibly be my favourite bedroom ever. And on the bed here is all Adairs products. So first of all, when we styled this main bedroom, I knew that I wanted it to be white. I knew it had to be white linen. And the beauty with white linen is it's so versatile. So for instance here, I've gone really creamy and kind of neutral here with those blushy kind of tones. But if I wanted to swap that out, I could pull all the color off, all the pattern off, still have the gorgeous white linen, those natural fibres, and put back any color I like, depending on how I'm feeling at that stage. So what we've done here is we've layered. So we've obviously got the white linen here, and then we've got this gorgeous kind of dusty, beautiful pink here, the boucle pillows, and then those kind of more natural rustic fibres. So layering a bed like that is where you get all the interest and all the beauty. Adairs have a huge collection of homewares, bed linen and furniture. Head online and check it out.